Today's video guys, we are doing a copper piping and fitting the heat exchanger. We installed pipe support in every 2 meters length of copper pipe. In this area, I already braced the copper pipe and the copper elbow. Per room, we are installing 3 evaporators. So you can notice in the video that there's 3 heat exchangers to be installed. So this is the first one. You can see the heat exchanger is already been braced. To minimize the long run of the pipe, we use 45-degree elbow instead of 90-degree elbow, and to prevent pressure drop in the system. We will go to the second evaporator. So you can notice that heat exchanger is already braced and the other fittings ready for bracing. So this is the last heat exchanger to be installed in the third evaporator. So I'm just waiting for the coworker to finish cutting the copper pipe so we can fit it in place. I hope you enjoy my video showing how I fit up the exchangers and how I run the copper pipe. Please like, share, and follow my page. Thank you.